Hello, Internet world, and welcome back. It's your sales director, Drew, here with a helpful 2-minute travel advisor tip. So grab your coffee, because it's time to... Okay, now check this out. If you've not yet seen the world's greatest booking engine's unique quick quote tool that will help you maximize your sales, here's how you can use this tool. Now from GoCCL on the homepage, click the Create a Stateroom button. And here you'll get the option to select your ship and sailing date. So let's use Carnival Panorama October 3rd as an example. Now you'll see, after you've selected the ship and date, the different fare codes to choose from. Now, I would suggest when you are reading through the fare codes to click the See Details button to get the terms and conditions for that promotion. If you're looking for a balcony, as an example, select the category type you want and then continue. Now here you'll see all the different categories that Carnival Panorama has balconies in, from the 7 Sea Cove balconies to a Havana Cabana, of course. Let's do a quick quote on that. See this little button? It says quick quote. Click that. And now you'll see that the quick quote feature gives you an option to select agent view or guest view. So if you want to send this to your client, click the guest view button. And now look, the itinerary populates, ship and sailing date, and a per person breakdown of the cruise fare for guest 1 and 2. Check this out. The fare information is displayed, the payment schedule, and for this promotion, brilliant, it's got an onboard credit. So we'll highlight in the quick quote the actual perks of the promotion. Here's another great tip. Look at this. The rate code terms and conditions are right in the quick quote that will be emailed to your client by typing in the email address, share the quote and the email sent, and instantly, boom! The quick quote is in your inbox. You can forward this and edit it to your liking to your client. There's the itinerary, payment schedule, and terms and conditions. Brilliant, huh? Hopefully you found this helpful. Sharing is caring. Ciao for now.